Today we'll explore fun words with the alphabet letter A, and we'll also create simple sentences together. Get ready to learn, laugh, and have lots of fun. Apple. Apple. The apple is red. Apple. Apple. Ant. Ant. The ant is tiny. Ant. Ant. Airplane. Airplane. The airplane flies high. Airplane. Airplane. Alligator. Alligator. The alligator swims. Alligator. Alligator. Astronaut. Astronaut. The astronaut is in space. Astronaut. Astronaut. Acorn. Acorn. The acorn falls. Acorn. Acorn. Apron. Apron. The apron is blue. Apron. Apron. Arrow. Arrow. The arrow points. Arrow. Arrow. Artist. Artist. The artist paints. Artist. Artist. Angel. Angel. The angel is kind. Angel. Angel. Repeat with me the words that you learned today. Apple, ant, airplane, alligator, astronaut, acorn, apron, arrow, artist, angel. See you in the next video with words starting with B.